Today we're back with Glenn from Tindo. You may remember us last time we had a conversation in Melbourne. Today we're here in Sydney. And Glenn, I just wanted to get started by asking and celebrating how you feel about your 15 years within the industry.
Well, 15 years, it's awesome. There's not a lot of companies that have been around 15 years in our industry, and I think AC Solar is one of them too. 15 years is a long time. There's been enormous change. I think we're on our 9th series of panels, so the Wallara. Technology changes over that time, but probably the biggest change is back in 2020, commissioned the building of a brand new factory. This is right in the middle of COVID. We installed a brand new manufacturing line, invested a lot of money, and then commissioned that in 23. At the stage, we're now outgrowing that plant. So that's how quickly things have grown. Change for Tindo, or a big moment in our history, has been last year, so 2025, recipients of a significant grant from ARENA to really grow Australian manufacturing and sovereign capability of module manufacturing in Australia. We're really proud to sort of be leading that charge in Australia. We're desperately trying to and having success in onboarding supply chains or onshoring supply chains back to Australia. So, employment and the tech that we're able to develop here, I think it's just shows our resilience and our determination to, look after our customers and be here for the long haul.